welcome to Akasa's Kitchen, where I share you easy family recipes. Today we're gonna make chili cheese toast. So let's get started. First we have some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to spread it onto 4 slices of white bread. Spread it evenly everywhere across the bread. Now we have sprinkled all the mozzarella cheese across 4 slices of bread, as you can see. Now we're going to add some roasted garlic. You can saute the garlic in a pan on medium heat until it turns brown. Add some toasted garlic. Now we have added the roasted garlic onto the bread. Now let's add some green chilies, finely chopped. Now we have sprinkled all the toppings across the bread. Now let's plate it in a baking tray. First, preheat a conventional oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake it for 5 minutes. So open the oven. Hi everyone, it has been 5 minutes now, and this is how it looks like. Wow! Look at how cheesy it is. You can tell if none of the toppings fall, this tells us that it's baked very well. Serve it with some ketchup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and support my channel. I'll keep updating you with some videos. Bye!